Open the search bar, type Task Manager, and open it. Go to the Details tab and scroll down until you find RadionSoftware.exe. Right-click on it, then choose End Process Tree, and confirm the action. Next, open the search bar again, type %localapp and press Enter. Inside this directory, locate and open the AMD folder. Find the folder named CN and delete it. For the next step, search for Device Manager and open it. Expand the Display Adapters section, then right-click on your AMD graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically for drivers, and let Windows install the best available option. Once the process is complete, restart your PC and try launching Radeon software again. If the issue still persists, reinstall the AMD Adrenalin software from the official website. If this guide helped you, consider liking the video and subscribing for more PC fixes and tutorials. If you're still facing problems, leave your question in the comments and I'll assist you.